happened. The European markets fell. We also saw crude futures crash.
Yeah, till about 2:30, it looked like it was a good day for the markets where the large caps were flat, but the mid caps were doing remarkably well. But in last hour of trade, taking cue from the European markets and from the Dow futures, we saw a big intraday slide. Nifty lost 150 points. The Bank Nifty lost 400 points from the top and ended at the low point of the day. That's never good news. Mid caps outperformed today, so that should give some heart to the bulls. Let's talk about the stocks then that led the market lower. A bunch of heavyweights, starting with ITC. That was the big problem through the day, and in late trade it was joined by other stocks like Infosys and HDFC Bank as well. So the combined effect of these three heavyweights was quite a bit of pressure on the Nifty. Some other losers included stocks like TCS, IndusInd Bank, and also HDFC, also down in trade. Other Nifty losers included Tata Motors, which was one of the biggest losers actually, down about 4%. ONGC was down 3%, and Sun Pharma was down about 2.5%. There was some buying cheer as well, though, which was visible in a couple of sectors. PSU banks to begin with, Bank of Baroda and SBI, both were in the green, and Axis Bank defied the overall weakness in private banks, so that was up about 2.5%. Outside the index, there was some gainers in trade today. PSU banks again did well. So Bank of India was up 4.5%. Jet reacted to its earnings, and Balrampur Chini also reacting to earnings. And on the downside, you had stocks like Just Dial, which has really been the weakest stock now. Divi's Labs reacted to earnings, and Petronet was down about 4%. The problem for this market is that we're now being driven by global cues almost on a minute-by-minute basis. And in this kind of environment, it's really a bit of a no-trade zone till the market either finds a bit of a bottom or maybe, rallies about, say, 5 to 10%. As of now, nothing is happening.